groundbreaking. There was a time where it was very hard to get HSAs from different states to get together. And through the national organization, we're definitely making strides to make it easier and make us a cohesive group.
My name is Stefan Jean-Baptiste. I'm a recent graduate of Temple University in Philadelphia, PA. Currently the Public Relations Director for the 10th Annual National Haitian Student Conference. As far as some of my goals, I really want this to be just the top-notch epic event. We're celebrating the 10th year of the first of its kind for Haitian students and students within the African diaspora to get together for 10 years straight to really make an impact and influence our community.
Jude Divers from New York University. As most of you would remember, I was the chairperson for the 9th Annual National Haitian Student Conference held at NYU last year. I'm very happy to just be again part of the conference again this year, the 10th annual, which I think is a major milestone for us students to have achieved. So I think you should all really use this conference as a platform to connect with other students, connect with professionals, and really for us to become a stronger force to not only affect our communities here, but also to affect Haiti, which is our home country, which I believe is close to all our hearts. I hope that everyone will use the 10th annual conference as the platform to really get involved and just really, become part of something that's great, something that's big, and something that's going to affect, everyone in a positive way. Thank you.
Bon, non, moi c'est Ifka mon Pérou, c'est son plaisir pour moi avec nous aujourd'hui. Moi t'arrête mais quitter nous connaît que pour conférence ça fait sans pile en pile travail lié. En pile nous même dans étudiants nous pas dormi. Là dans l'école, nous sorti l'école, nous al travail, nous commencer travail sur conférence là. So m'da souhaité que année ça que nous vraiment encourager pour nous entrer dans l'Alliance des étudiants haïtiens pour nous faire un bagage vraiment sérieux dans la communauté parce que nous tout fait sacrifice pour nous qu'à la aujourd'hui et nous pas t'arrête mais ouais que sacrifice nous c'est en vain lié. So m'da souhaité que tout le monde encore vienne participer avec nous dans la conférence là et on nous font bagage sérieux pour nous montrer tout le monde que jeunes haïtiens yo y a font bagage sérieux. Merci.
Haïti, 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 Haïti,
Personne ne l'est plus que moi, je réagis pas si tu me frappes, mais je ne te le conseille pas. Cool, je ne m'efforce pas de l'être, c'est mon deuxième prénom, oui j'ai toujours été un modèle. Si je ne réponds pas en marchant dans la rue quand tu m'appelles, c'est parce que j'ai toujours mon
Okay, behind me, I have this big group from Jersey. I don't know where they're from, but they represent Jersey. I'm almost scared of them. Where you guys from? Where you guys from?
State University.
All right, I'm standing here in front of a big table from Florida. A big table. Florida represent. USF in the house. There are a lot of Florida schools. There are different schools here, right? Okay. Now, I want to ask you, first of all, what's your name?
My name is Augusta Demesme.
Mes amis? Oh. What school are you from?
USF, University of South Florida. Go Bulls! Go Bulls!
Okay, first of all, what is your name and where are you from? And what are you doing here at the 10th Annual National Haitian Student Conference?
Well, it's the one and only Cool G. I'm from the group I&I and I'm from Haiti. I represent Haiti, born in America, but Haiti, c'est pays.
So, fait, son rappeur, yeah?
Oui, c'est rappeur, yeah. But, well, je classifie comme un rappeur. I'm so entertainer because I do it all.
Eh ben, bust a freestyle in Creole for us right now.
Bust un freestyle en Creole.
Un petit freestyle, pas trop long.
Pas trop long, mais pas de problème. Gen a kap rale physique, vidéo wal nan range. But nous connaissons nous même so seul bagay n'a fait. N'a cherché pour un bagay pour Haïti, n'a cherché un Haïti exchange.
Okay, gen moun la li gen bagay li besoin di. Let's ask him a couple of questions. I know you want to say something, but before you say something, what's your name and where you from?
Nom c'est Lionel. I'm from Haiti. So I'm representing for the Florida people over here. So.
But you're not from a school? You're not. What school are you from?
Oh, FIU.
FIU in the house, people. So what do you want to say? Say what you want to say.
Do you like Creole?
Yeah, Creole. No problem.
Yeah. Nous avons problème à manger parce que on est haïtien, nous pas trop bon bagay ham, turkey, bagay ça yo. Nous espérons l'autre année nous t'avons un petit dire, petit griot, petit banane non plus.
Bon, l'année prochaine, ça t'as aimé ouais. Ça t'as aimé manger.
Ah ouais, ben nous petit banane pesé, petit griot, nous petit patate lamba ça parce que
Maï moulin à cocoyer?
Maï moulin, bagay ça, tout bagay ça, on connaît, nous, haïtiens, nous, on pas quitter bagay ça d'ailleurs, on comprend. Tant que là, moi, m'a fait 3 jours ici, je suis en miss là carrément parce que je ne bagay ça là même, on comprend.
D'accord, next year, je vais faire un petit maï moulin à cocoyer, bon, peser, tasso, tout bagay ça, ok?
Ah,
ok, magnifique, magnifique.
T'as crié, t'as crié, t'as crié, t'as gueulé, t'as crié, t'as crié, t'as crié, t'as gueulé, t'as crié. Les amis me sentent t'as gueulé. Aïe 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 boyo. N'est pas normal, sous l'église qu'il y a boyo. En pile mon âme souffre pour petit coup de l'eau. N'est pas légal, pour un problème l'hôpital. When you walk souffrir à toi très mal. Pas social, même en point de sens non. Pas qu'il l'école pour des petits paysans. C'est pas beau ça.
You know what? This is hype. Oh my goodness. I mean, if this is any indication of what's to come, how y'all say down here, I'm scared. I'm scared.
The reason that I'm really here is to learn. I feel like, because I grew up, basically I spent most of my life here. And I was born in Haiti, and I came here to find basically, I feel like I'm missing something. Like who am I?
Hi guys.
How
you
doing?
All right. Good. Wanted to are you guys here for the conference?
Yes, we're here for the conference.
Where are you guys from?
Georgetown University, and he's from
Boston College Law School.
Boston College Law School. Cool. So how do you guys find the conference going so far?
I think it's going very well. Very well.
I mean, are your expectations being met?
Yeah, they're being met so far. You know, I definitely want to talk about more of our cultural issues and more about Haitian pride. And I'm sure Wyclef, could talk about that. So because I think he's embodied a lot, being an artist and all, and representing for our Haitian people.
Mes amis, big clap! Big clap! Big clap! Very clap! Very clap!
So as I leave y'all, I'm gonna leave y'all like this. Yo. When it comes to freestyle, I dropped the freestyle rap. I left Jersey. I came to represent for UMass. My name is Wyclef, I'm a true MC. Brooklyn, New Jersey, plus I come from Haiti. You're looking at me like you don't understand me. You might understand me when I flip it in Japanese, like Ichi ni san chi go no ko shichi hachi. She looked at me, I said I'm not Japanese. I'm Wyclef Jean, bilingual. Y'all ain't convinced. Y'all might get convinced when I flip it in French. Quand je fais l'amour, on m'appelle Romeo. C'est l'histoire de ma vie, toujours le plus haut. Yo, the freestyle's deadly. There's no discrimination. Problem with the immigration, cause I'm a Haitian. Hey yo, depuis moi petit, yo te voyé l'école. Yo dit, pas fumer marijuana, pas vrai alcool. Même sous pas gen l'argent, pi ga volé rad nan mol. Respectez bon Dieu, li apôtre Paul. Tendez, yo voyé l'école avec col. Si tellement soulier m'te clean, ou t'as pas te décliner avec l'Aisol. Yo.